Hey guys, my name is Mitch. Welcome to my channel. Okay, something new. Nothing shop related. This is an actual little wood project. I had some scrap wood purple heart and some scrap wood ash laying around, so I decided to make some coasters. And for whatever reason, no matter how small a project may seem, I do not know why I get a little antsy when it comes to glue ups. Like the glue is going to dry on me instantly and I won't have any freaking time to do anything. Which isn't the case. You have to move quickly, but it's not like it's CA glue or something. So I don't know why I panic. And if you are one of my 95 subscribers, I want to take the time to say thank you. Um, You've seen these short videos I've made of this project probably for the last month. So I'm just combining all of it into one long form. And if you are a new viewer, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if it brings you something, if you could, like, subscribe, share, whatever. Or if not, appreciate you just tuning in. One of the best purchases I've made has been this Shopbox planner. I got it on sale around Christmas last year for like $420. For whatever reason, this thing's over $700 now, so I really lucked out. So if you followed all the short videos, the YouTube short videos of me making these coasters, you'll also know I'm making a matching bar board, little small cutting boards for cutting limes, garlic, anything that you'd want to bring out a big cutting board for. You know, you have the little small board. So, and I actually got that idea from, I believe it's Howell Woodworks. He makes phenomenal looking stuff. It's beautiful. That's where that inspiration came from anyway, so I like to give him credit. And as you can see, there's really nothing special here, no elaborate patterns. Being a beginning woodworker, I didn't want to get discouraged and jack something up, so I'm just was keeping it simple, and I like the way it turned out. So if you do follow or subscribe, you'll know I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I'm at 95 right now as I make this video. I was going to give away a set of the coasters and the cutting board. Instead, I decided on either doing a $100 gift card for Rockler or Grizzly. If you watch this, you know I'm a big Grizzly fan. I love Grizzly tools. I love my Grizzly track saw, and I will defend it to the death. I'm guessing this might be considered an unsafe practice. I have no idea. Comment below. And everybody's favorite, sanding. I went from 80 grit to 220. I'm at 180. I think I water popped after 180 and then finished up with the 220. I'm using Serious Grit sandpaper, not sponsored, not an affiliate. Got 95 subscribers, so that'd be ridiculous. But I can tell you, good sandpaper for the price, I'll be buying more, for sure, without a doubt. And here I am finishing up with that 220, getting exhausted. I think it's about time for a beer. And for finishing, I'm going with one of my favorites, General Finishes Armor Seal, using semi-gloss. I went 4 coats, sanding in between coats, and on the final coat, I hit it with some triple aught steel wool to smooth it out. It came out really nice. One of the easier finishes with the best results, I believe, I think. So If you haven't tried it, you should give it a try. What the hell do I know? Because I'm new to this. And we're just going to finish up the back side with a little sticky cork to make it all professional and stuff, you know. Finishing touches, all about the finishing touches. If you are new to woodworking like myself, I think a project like this is good. It gives you some confidence. The finished result is satisfying. So I would recommend a little craft project like this. Just my opinion. I mean, it's either a cutting board or a Rubo workbench. You know, one of those two projects would be pretty good to start off with. So, hey, if you stick around and watch this whole video, I really appreciate it. I hope it brought you some form of entertainment and you got something out of it. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.